Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Empress D. It's nice to have you. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back family. Always a pleasure to have you, and thank you for subscribing. So let me just say before we go ahead in the video, I normally film in the evenings when my daughter is asleep. Even though my door is closed, she's watching TV, so if you do hear anything, I am a mommy, okay? Right, now to get into this video, I don't normally start with my bare face, which I'm going to do today. I have been doing the natural thing. I've let my natural hair out. I haven't put any braids, any weave, stuff like that in there, just because I just need a break in all aspects of my life. And you guys know that I absolutely love color, but today I am going out and I will be doing a very natural look. So I'll be doing a full face with no shadow. Okay, so stick around and I'll show you exactly how I go about doing that. Okay.
Well, you can't dictate my pace like the old people say. You can't study people who go help you when you're back against the wall. You can't study people who go pick you up in case you fall. If they don't like you, then you're doing something right. Just keep on doing it, doing it. Let them respect you for.
So today for my brows, I'm going to go in with the normal thing, or I might just do all of it in the Saffron Dark Brow Pencil on its own, okay? Because I am going for a very natural look today. Right, so that is the brows done, and then I am going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee. Then what I normally do is I go ahead and blend out this. My next step is my mattifying primer, or I sometimes use my skin blurring primer. But today, for the purpose of me actually going somewhere, I'm going to use my mattifying one because I tend to get really oily. Right, so just so you guys know, the reason why I do this is just to stretch my skin to ensure that the primer is actually going into my pores. I have very large pores, so I try to make sure that I get my primer in there. And then I'm just going to go in with my fingers and just press that in. Then I'm just going to give my face a once over with the All Nighter spray. So my next step is foundation, and I am using the Maybelline Superstay 24 hours foundation. I've never worn this foundation for 24 hours, but it holds up really good and does give me like really good coverage. So I do recommend this. I love it. I swear by it. Okay, it is the one. I'm going to go back in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee. Then I'm a powder contour using the Milani Earth Glow 5. Then I'm going in with a little bit of blush. I do tend to overdo with the blush if I am going out, but I like to be rosy, which obviously you don't have to. This is choice. I actually highlight with the bronzer. I don't actually highlight with the highlight, so we'll go in with this one. Okay, and that is pretty much all the highlighting that I do. So cheeks, lip, chin, nose, and bridge. Right, so I actually started to do this before I realized that I wasn't filming. So just to backtrack, I am using the NYX black liquid liner, and I am just creating a wing. Okay, and just another little tip of mine is to go back over your lash band with your black liquid liner, just to make sure that it's nice and dark when you take your photos. It's not really out there and shiny and not as dark as your lash. That's how I do it. That's just a tip for you guys. And then after I let that dry a little bit, I will go under with some mascara, and yeah, that will be it for that lash. While I'm waiting for my lash glue to dry, I'm just gonna go in with my MAC gel liner that I've had for years and 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 years. So I'm pretty much nearly done. I just need to get my lipstick and put my hoops in, and I will be done. So just give me a second. Let me just go and grab my lipstick, and I'll be back in a second. And I have my two liquid lipsticks that I am going to use. This is the Falana Cosmetics matte liquid lipstick, and this is the AOA Studio Wonder Matte lipstick in the shade Nude Naked. Okay guys, so this is it. This is my natural beat, no shadow. This is very unusual for me, but you know, if you want to kind of keep it natural looking, although highlight, blush going on, you know, it's going crazy, it's still not as crazy as I would normally go. So to me, it's a natural look. Okay, so this is it from me, guys. This is what my natural glowy look looks like. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and come back for more of my videos. Okay, so I'll see you guys. I'll catch you in my next one. Bye guys.